Good afternoon, everyone. So again, good afternoon. So I'm Ian. So for this cybersecurity and threat intelligence approach from Juniper, let me introduce to you Juniper Connected Security, a dynamic, adaptive, and AI-driven. Our way of life has changed. The way we work has changed. Contrary to what you're hearing from others, the perimeter hasn't disappeared. In fact, it's now everywhere your users and applications are. As you notice, perimeter is everywhere. Okay, this is the reality of our current network. You might have multiple cloud environments, a converged or a combined public and private cloud or data centers. Your multiple applications and services connecting to each other. And with this pandemic time, users and devices are located everywhere around the world. Okay. Also, we primarily use internet as our way of connectivity. But we all know that internet has many things that includes threats. And this would be a big concern for our security. Let me remind you, this is from 2020. Okay? For every 39 seconds, one attack occurs. 24 times the average of cost of ransom cost a downtime. And 400% increase attack complaints to FBI. Connectivity for legitimate services, users and devices is crucial to your business. Keeping attackers off your network is critical to maintaining uptime. Downtime is really costly. This is when an attacker directly brings down the network, maybe via DOS or DDoS attack, or when you have to block or quarantine a host and or application services because of compromise, or not only to IT teams need to make sure they are protecting data on their networks from a breach, but they also need to make sure their networks remain up and connected. Surely, security is paramount to reliable connectivity. Relying on perimeter-only defense model is no longer enough to protect your network. The age of connection has led to convergence of perimeter security and network infrastructure, whether that is visibility or enforcement. This has been driven by distributed enterprises, retail, campus, and branch. We have global companies with mobile workforces, and so on and so forth. These trends are not new. In fact, they are being worsened by things like the migration to multi-cloud and the proliferation of IoT. Treating security as an afterthought and bolting on security is no longer an effective way to provide adequate security for your business. It's time for enterprises to extend security to all points of connection across your network. This is why Juniper is building the network for the next decade, which is dynamic, adaptive, and AI-driven that makes your network a threat-aware from client to cloud. As you can see here, we're converging networking and security to provide you a threat-aware network. Our solution, the Juniper Connected Security. It's a security from endpoint to edge and every cloud in between. The Juniper Connected Security strategy helps you build a threat-aware network by extending security to every point of network on the network. To better protect your users, devices, and applications and infrastructure. Why limit attack detection and mitigate to traditional network choke points, such as perimeter firewall, when you can leverage your routers, your switches, and your access points to defend the network. This is what we're doing at Juniper through Juniper Connected Security. The entire network becomes part of its own defense, which means attacks are detected and mitigated more quickly, and the network is freed up for legitimate traffic. We build a threat-aware network with Juniper Connected Security. This provides you risk-based network access with user and device profiling to reduce your risk. We also include IoT devices to identify who and what is on your network. We provide you secure connectivity for remote workforces. It also protects your data with microsegmentation and dynamic security controls. We also keep attackers off the network through built-in visibility, intelligence, and enforcement. This is where the artificial intelligence or AI uh, provides you a solution. We also provide, this threat-aware network also provides reliability and secure application access with unified security policy. It also provides microsegmentation, dynamic security control for scale services and cost effectively. And lastly, we support your journey, okay, to your transition securely to the cloud environment. With Juniper Connected Security, we have solutions that work across all levels of kill chain to identify and stop threats. While this one example of how to map threats, you can use other like the internal cyber kill chain model or the unified kill chain, to name a few. The idea is to level set the different technologies and resources that go into Juniper Connected Security that align each technology's map into the framework. Okay. We can stop all the threats across your network from kill chain reconnaissance to weaponization, delivery, exploitation and installation, even the command and control or CNC, even the lateral movement threats, and of course, out of the objective. Let me introduce to you our suite of portfolio for Juniper Connected Security. Notice that Juniper Connected Security encompasses nearly the entire Juniper portfolio. This includes the routing, switching, wireless portfolios. This is because security is built into the network portfolios so that our customers can truly build threat-aware networks. We really are extending security to every point of connection on the network. We can also easily integrate with our ecosystem security partners as well. Our security intelligence enables a threat-aware network. This actually extends threat detection and enforcement to all points of connection. So as mentioned earlier, we no longer rely on perimeter firewall, but we extend detection and enforcement down to your wireless access point, down to your enterprise and data switching, and even up to your border, edge, or internet gateway routers as well. So with this, we provide you security on all points of connection. This is truly a firewall everyone solution. Okay? We leverages the network to safeguard against threat. So we can leverage your wireless access point to detect and enforce security. We leverage on your enterprise switches to detect and enforce security. The same thing with your wide area network as well. We dynamically protect even with roaming approach. Okay, extending SecIntel to Wi-Fi. This is a very unique solution from Juniper. We can detect a Wi-Fi user with security threats. We can map physically the location of this user. And take note, this is an agentless approach. So no need to install any application, security application to each devices. Okay? So we do device profiling. We can locate, we can identify security threats via network level. And we can enforce as well to mitigate these security threats. This is because we can do this because of artificial intelligence. Our connected security integrated with Juniper AI-driven enterprise solution. So this artificial intelligence integrated to our wireless infrastructure, to wired infrastructure, to wide area network infrastructure, and even to data center and cloud as well. Okay? And truly, security is built in to each and every portfolios. Plus, with the artificial intelligence, okay, we can provide you predictive analytics with anomaly detection, root cause analysis, and self-driving automation to improve your network performance. Just to highlight again, this is across your entire network, from your wireless infrastructure to wired switches, to your wide area routers, to data centers and cloud as well. In fact, this AI solution from Juniper already recognized by Magic Quadrant. This was released a week ago. Okay, they recognized our wired and wireless, and take note, this wired and wireless is part of our AI enterprise portfolio and integrated with Juniper Connected Security. Magic Quadrant recognized our ability to execute and with completeness of vision. We were recognized because of providing our customer with unprecedented insights, okay, with anomaly detection, root cause analysis, and automation that truly improves their network operation. Okay, to summarize, Juniper Connected Security truly extends security to all points of connection across the network, from your wireless to your switches to your routers, that provides or safeguard your users, applications, and infrastructure. We enforce security everywhere, protect the network from all angles. We provide you centralized policy, management, and analytics using our artificial intelligence engine. And lastly, we provide you sophisticated threat detection engine. With that, it ends my presentation.